In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HoneyBook account. Quick Setup 2026. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready for a trial run, so you can explore the tools and see how they fit your business. Open your web browser and go directly to honeybook.com. Type it into the address bar and make sure you're on the official site with a secure connection. Once the homepage loads, we're creating your first HoneyBook account, so look toward the top right of the page for the button labeled Start for Free. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to open the menu first, but the option will be clearly highlighted. Next, select your region. Choose US-Canada, since that's the supported area for this quick setup flow. This ensures you see the correct features, pricing, and legal terms for your location. Now you'll arrive at the first sign-up screen. Enter your full name, your email address, and a password. Use an email you regularly check for business communications so confirmations and notifications don't get missed. For your password, pick something unique and strong, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. And consider storing it in a password manager to keep it safe and easy to access later. After filling those fields, click Continue. HoneyBook will process your details and bring you to the second part of setup, where you'll tell them about your business. This step helps tailor your new workspace. Choose your company type so the platform understands whether you're a freelancer, a small studio, or another structure. Then share how you heard about HoneyBook. These details allow HoneyBook to preload relevant templates, suggestions, and branding cues that match the way you present your services. When you're done, click Start 7 days free trial. There's no payment commitment at this point, so you can explore the experience and make sure it aligns with your workflow before deciding on a plan. During the trial, you'll be able to navigate the dashboard, preview how projects are organized, and see how proposals, invoices, and client communication come together in one place. That's it. You've created your HoneyBook account with the quick setup flow. From here, you can continue customizing your workspace, but your account is ready to go. If you followed along step by step, you should now be signed in and set for a smooth trial. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your new HoneyBook account.